What if I told you that right now you can access the most powerful AI models on the planet for free? No limits, no trials, no credit card. And yes, it's 100% legal. I know how that sounds, but hear me out, because after months of digging through the entire online AI landscape, I found a secret tool that honestly feels like an insane AI hack. Trust me when I say that you need to start using it as soon as possible, and you need to stay right until the very end of this video, because I will also be giving away a secret surprise that will be super valuable for you when creating with AI. So press the like button, save the video so you don't forget this life-changing tool, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. Step 1. Finding the platform. Open your browser and search for Arena AI. Click the first result. You'll land on what looks like a simple AI testing tool. But don't let that fool you. What this tool can do is simply mind-blowing, and you will never use AI the same after this video. Trust me on this. To break it down, Arena is a community-driven AI benchmarking platform. Its original purpose was to let researchers and enthusiasts pit AI models against each other in blind comparisons, then vote on which responses were better. That voting data is aggregated into a live public leaderboard, a real-time ranking of the best performing AI models in the world. But here's the thing, to run those comparisons, they have to give you full 100% free and unlimited access to the top performing models in the world, which means you as a user get to use every single top tier model on the website, completely free, completely unlimited, and 100% downloadable. No subscriptions, no hidden paywalls, no watermarks. Just vote, and that's it. Step 2. Direct chat. Click into it and open the model selector. Take a moment to actually look at this list, because it's genuinely unbelievable. We're not talking about a handful of low-quality open-source alternatives. We're talking about GPT 5.4, OpenAI's flagship with deep reasoning, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Google's most capable model, Claude Opus 4.6, Anthropic's top reasoning AI, Gemini 3 Flash, Google's ultra-fast and responsive version of Gemini, and dozens of more, including niche models you seriously won't find anywhere else. Every single one, free. And let me just show you how good the output actually is. I selected GPT 5.4 and gave it this prompt. I need to generate a to-do list application where I can add my daily tasks. Within seconds, it had written the entire working codebase, clean, structured, commented HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the kind of output you'd expect from a senior developer that in the past you would pay thousands of dollars for, now completely free after only a few seconds. So I pasted it directly into an online compiler, and the app loaded instantly. I added tasks, crossed them off, and deleted them. Everything worked perfectly. First try, zero debugging needed. Number 3. Image generation. Now, if you've been struggling to find good image generators, you are seriously in an insane amount of luck, because with Arena, there is a plethora of incredible visuals you can generate with a click of a button. Click on Generate Images, and you've got the best of the best models right in front of you. This includes Nano Banana 2, Flux 2, and Seed Dream 4.5, and a long tail of other models worth exploring. But here's where it goes from simply awesome to incredible. The side-by-side battle mode. Instead of just using one model, you pit two against each other head-to-head. Same prompt, both models generate simultaneously, and you vote on the winner. I ran Nano Banana 2 versus Seed Dream 4, two of the most hyped image generators right now. I gave both the exact same prompt and watched them go at it. The prompt was a cinematic, futuristic cyberpunk street market at night in a futuristic city, glowing neon signs reflecting on wet streets after rain, crowds with umbrellas, holographic ads, steam from food stalls, and flying vehicles between skyscrapers, moody atmosphere, volumetric lighting, ultra-detailed, wide-angle, filmic composition. Nano Banana 2 delivered first, which honestly isn't surprising. It's known for its speed. And the result? Stunning. Photorealistic, rich detail, completely authentic looking output. Seed Dream 4 came in shortly after. The image was really impressive in its own right, but when I zoomed in and compared details, particularly some of the fine texture work, Nano Banana had the edge. More natural, I think. So my vote goes to Nano Banana, and that vote feeds directly into the global leaderboard, which is cool, right? You're not just a user here, you're an active contributor to how these models are ranked worldwide. Step 4. Video generation. Now, the best part: free, unlimited text-to-video and image-to-video generation. Let that sink in. Click on Generate Videos, then generate your video by using text-to-video. Type your prompt describing the scene you want. So here's a prompt I used: a cinematic, futuristic city at night during a light rainstorm. Neon lights reflecting on wet streets, people walk through a busy street market filled with glowing holograms, steam rising from food stalls, and flying vehicles between skyscrapers. Smooth camera movement, highly cinematic, ultra-detailed, realistic lighting, moody atmosphere, film quality visuals. Hit enter, then the generation begins. Fair warning, this takes longer than image generation. We're talking a few minutes, not a few seconds. But here's what you get at the end: 2 videos generated by 2 different advanced AI video generation models simultaneously, both playing back for you to compare. So you get multiple high-end outputs, you vote on the best, and you move on to the next generation. Next is image to video. Now drag and drop your image directly. Add a prompt describing the motion or action you want and send it. So we'll take the image we generated earlier and add this: slow cinematic camera push through a neon-lit city street at night. Light rain falling, people walking with umbrellas, glowing signs flickering, steam rising from food stalls. Smooth motion, film-like, atmospheric, realistic lighting. What comes back are 2 animated versions of your image, again generated by 2 competing frontier models. And seriously, the creative potential here is enormous. Take your AI-generated images from the image arena, drop them into the video arena, animate them, and string them together into full, high-quality, premiere short films, completely and 100% free. Step 5. Live web search. The final AI feature is live web search, which is built directly into the chat interface. When you ask Arena a question that requires current information, the model actually searches the web in real time and pulls back live answers, complete with cited sources you can verify yourself. So you literally never have to use ChatGPT or Gemini anymore. Ask about today's news, recent product launches, current prices, live events. It handles everything. That's why this tool is literally every advanced AI tool all in one, completely free. All right, now that we've made it to the end of the video, here's a secret surprise: an insane and free-to-use workflow you can run entirely inside Arena at 0 cost to create jaw-dropping AI video generations. Check the video description below to take a look and see step-by-step how this workflow works. So here's a question for you. Now that all the paid AI tools you've been looking for are completely free, what are you going to create? Drop it in the comments below. I will make sure to read and respond to every single comment left on this video. Subscribe to the channel and click the next video on your screen for more of the most insane AI tools.